Hello, my name is Richard Gent, Product Specialist for Terex Construction, Coventry, United Kingdom. We make a range of 11 backhoe loaders, and today I'd like to show you how the new TLB890 works for you. Now let's start off with the engine. It's a Perkins engine, 4 cylinders. It's charged, air-cooled and turbocharged, developing 100 horsepower. It also develops 400 Newton meters of torque to give the machine good pushing performance. There are 2 types of transmission available: a 4-speed synchro shuttle with torque converter, or the option of the SPS, the servo power synchro transmission, which gives you automatic up and down shifting. There are 2 types of transmission available. The power shuttle transmission, where you select the gear with the right lever and then select forward or reverse with the lever under the steering wheel. The other transmission is called servo power synchro. All the gear shifting is done on the left-hand control unit. The gear shifting can be done manually or automatically, and this transmission has 4 forward and 3 reverse speeds. The cab has a spacious interior. There's plenty of room to turn in the seated position to the rear digging position. The rear window is easily opened and stowed into the roof. The full depth window gives the operator a good line of vision into the trench. We also have opening side windows. This gives the operator a better line of vision when he's working at right angles to the machine. Here we can see the new curved backhoe boom. This gives more clearance underneath for loading over obstacles or loading into trucks close by to the machine. The backhoe has a maximum digging depth of 5.7 meters. There are 2 types of quick attach available, either mechanical or hydraulically operated. This enables the buckets to be changed very quickly. Well, there you have the story of the TLB890 backhoe loader, a very powerful machine indeed. Easy to operate, easy to maintain, giving you a good return on your investment. Please contact your local Terex dealer for more information.